How y'all doing? You got beef jerky.
I got beef jerky.
You got like 2 pieces of beef jerky and they little. I went back there and tried to eat them.
Beef jerky is expensive.
How y'all doing tonight? Y'all drinking beers and shit? Y'all feeling yourselves and shit? I like to say in shit. And shit is my favorite way to end anything. I be like, I'm having a beautiful day and shit. I love my mama and shit. You feel me?
You love her or you love her?
You know what?
And
We talked about this. There's a difference between love and love. See, like, I love me some chicken. And that's like L-U-H.
L-U-H, yeah.
And I might love some of these women. That's L-U-V. That's like a temporary thing. That's like what you put on the bottom of like a note. Like, oh, today was a nice day hanging out with you. Love you always. But L-U-V. Yeah. But like I love my mom, like L-O-V-E. Yeah. With a heart and shit.
You gotta be careful with those E's.
And shit. You gotta be careful with the E's. When you give them like 2 vowels, they think that you don't give them vowels.
I just give them an L and an O. That's it.
L and an O?
I love you.
Alright, let's go.
Yo. We got a project coming up called Niggas, Nikes, and Newports. What up, nigga? Yeah, what up, nigga? What up, nigga? Yeah, what up, nigga? Yo, what up, nigga? Yeah, what up, nigga? Yo, they say the blacker the berry than the sweeter the juice. Somehow they made nuisance out of all roots. I'm weak and loose shine, now to get by. Contemplate why and try to find cause that'll give us the sight to see and make lemonade out of a tragedy. Would you rather be a nobody who did something or have everything in the world and have nothing? We gotta get on out and get something. Act like you ain't shit a bad with your cousin. I'ma act like I ain't a nigga to the bone, but I love fried chicken and Cubana cologne. The homegrown original black man again with a Colt 45 zigzag in the spin. Some will say I'm not a nigga at all, but I'm a nigga till I gotta get it all. Yeah, what up, nigga? What up, nigga? Yeah, what up, nigga? Yeah, what up, nigga? What up, nigga? Yeah, what up, nigga? Yo, what up, nigga? Yeah, what up, nigga? What up, nigga? Yo, that's my nigga though. Yeah. That's how we made that song. Yo, what up, nigga? What up, nigga? Yo, what up, nigga? Yo, what up, nigga? Something? Yo, it's in our minds to start to move out of time. Won't work better than now. We here, so we gotta grind and stop. Free balls and touch and move out of low. Slaves, we not free. The streets, we like we. The truth, we like us. In God, we trust. Over women, we busted. Nigga, we bust the top of the morn. By this hip position, we scorn. Most of our lives are set before we are born. Most likely to jail, we most likely to fail. It rain on light people, on black folks in hell. We stress, so we smoke, we laugh, and black jokes. We spooks, we all move. Seen the cartoon like bitches and pink lips. Like butts and wide hips. Ignorance is so bliss, that's why we jobless. And then, what else? Yo, what up, nigga? 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 What up, nigga? Fucking and shit. I saw some white people out there saying nigga out there.
That's all y'all white people in the background. They're like, what up, nigga? What up, this?
Do that,
I like this. What up, nigga? Oh, my side hurts. Oh my gosh. Maybe my side hurts. Y'all.